Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring basics are truly done. Update your GPU drivers and restart, because outdated drivers cause immediate crashes. Once done, verify the game files in your client to restore corrupted files, and make sure you run the executable as administrator to avoid permission failures. If the crash persists, set Windows compatibility to an older build. This forces legacy runtime behavior and often stops startup faults. These steps address the most common causes quickly, so you can proceed to deeper fixes without wasting time. Now you dig into logs and runtime components. Open Event Viewer and the game's log files to note exact error codes. Those point to missing DLLs or API failures. Then reinstall DirectX and Visual C++ redistributables, because version mismatches break runtime linking and replace any faulty DLLs highlighted. Also, disable overlays and background recorders like Discord or GeForce Experience. These inject into the process and commonly trigger crashes. If you use mods, remove them temporarily to isolate the base game's behavior before continuing. Finally, perform a clean reinstall. Uninstall the game, delete local save and config files to remove corrupted settings, then reinstall. Make sure Windows and system firmware are updated, and run sfc/scano to repair corrupted system files that can destabilize the game. If the crash still occurs, generate a crash dump or enable full logging, reproduce the fault, and include those files when you ask for help. Key tip: if nothing works, a crash dump plus exact error code is the fastest route to a specific solution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.